Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to assign student to the trainer. So we are going to add a trainer first, and then we will create a group where we'll add students and assign a trainer. So the first step is to add a teacher. So go to your WordPress dashboard and log in as an admin. Now to enter into your dashboard, hover over your name and you will find this dashboard option on your WordPress website, and it will take you to the backend. Hover over user section and click on add new. Now here you will add username and email ID of your teacher. So I'm going to add a demo username. Also add the email ID so that your trainer can get the credentials. Set the password that he will use to log in into the account. And under the role section, select teacher. So we are assigning a teacher role to this username and password. You can also set the first name and the last name if you want so, and then click add new user. So user has been added successfully. So it's saying username is already registered. So I'm going to change the username to demo teacher 1, and let's try again. So if account is already registered, then it would not create another account with the same username password. In another window, I'm going to use this username password and log in as a teacher. So go to the website and log in as a teacher. Click on sign in. Enter the username password that you have used to create an account and click login. So we have logged in as a teacher, and on the left side, you will see an option evaluate test. So now you can see we do not have any data on the dashboard because we haven't assigned any student to this teacher. So for that, we have to go to this admin dashboard. So the second step is to go to admin dashboard and create a group. So for that, enter IELTS admin after your URL. So if this is your URL, then you have to type IELTS admin after the slash and click enter, and it will take you to the IELTS dashboard, where on the left side you will find groups option. So here we're going to create a group. For that, click on plus icon, and so I'm going to edit the existing one. And here on the left side, on the top section, these are the number of list of students. This is the list of students. So you can select the students you want to assign to the trainer we have created. And at the bottom, you would find the list of the trainers. So this is the list of the trainers. So this is the one we have added. So click on this forward icon and click update. So now we have assigned 5 students to this trainer. Now go back to the dashboard and refresh. So here you can see this trainer has been assigned to 5 students. Whenever they submit the test, the data will be visible here under this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.